Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be reviewing the Basin soap and conditioner bar. If you've never heard of Basin, which I had never actually heard of it until I walked in there with my husband when we went for my birthday to Orlando. So in Disney Springs they have this store called Basin, and it's so funny because Roger was like, oh, let's go get you a candle for your birthday, and I was like, no way, there's a candle store? For sure, I love candles. So we went inside. Little did we know it was actually a body care, shower, bath bombs, all this kind of stuff. I'm assuming if you came here though, you know what Basin is and you just want to know a review about it. So anyway, you can make your own type of soap, and there's all these different areas. So I kind of I don't have a bath anyway, I have only a shower, so a bath bomb wouldn't have been worked. And then all the other stuff, nothing really grabbed my attention besides the shampoo and conditioner. And also they did have a section where you can make your own candle. So I have the candle here now. I already burnt it. It was I forgot what scent it was, unfortunately. It was a mixture. I have clips that I can show you here. Pretty much you see I can go around making my own candle. Obviously you can layer it however you want, all the different smells. They have a bunch of different smells. Some smell better than others, but it was a good amount of different smells, right? So when you smell it, it's this powdery thing that you put into this little tin can. Right now it's all black because I already burnt it, but I had layered it. Now I don't even remember. I think it was mainly black and white, like a volcano or I don't know what, but I could barely smell anything anymore. Now the way this burnt, okay, so I've had it on for literally not even 30 minutes and it's already, oopsie, it's already burnt so much. I can't really smell it too much, at all. And I mean, I know I'm in a big room, it's my living room, but can't really smell it. So I'm sorry, save your money. I don't even remember how much this was. I think I took pictures, so I'll put it on the screen, but the way that this burnt was not good, honestly. First of all, I know it's little, but a Bath and Body Works candle lasts you longer than this, and it took about maybe a day and a half to 2 days at most, and I'm talking about burning it for 2 to 3 hours at a time or something like that. I don't know, but it just wasn't worth it. Honestly, the experience was kind of cool. Sure, you smell the candles, you put it, that was fun. So this one smells so good.
You're putting the volcano one first?
I think I'm gonna try and right? I was thinking of doing a little bit, then a little bit, then a little bit.
I don't know how this stuff works, so.
This one smells like clean laundry. But overall, and this was a couple months ago, I don't even, it was for my birthday, but I'm now getting around to filming this. So again, I mean, everyone should try something if they really want to do it. I'm all about that, but if really you want to get like a smell out of this, it's not worth it. If you're just going to do it for the experience, or it's something maybe, I don't know, if you have a child, they want to do it, then okay, it was cool, it was fun. But besides that, definitely not worth it. I would totally skip on the candle. As far as the hair care, right? So they're called shampoo and conditioner bars, okay? I brought this pamphlet with me. I could take a screenshot so you guys, I can insert a picture so you guys can see what everything pretty much means, but they come like this, so they wrap them for you. Wrap them for you. They don't wrap them for you, they just put in this cute little bag. Anyway, so I remember her saying the rounder one was the shampoo, and this more ovally one is the conditioner. So they smell pretty good, pretty minty, menthol type of smell. I don't know, but the one that I got, because we asked an associate for help because I was not sure how any of this stuff works, and she's like, you can either like put it directly on your scalp like this, or you can like lather it onto your hands and rinse it in there. And she said that that works really well, like they work really well in that regard. So I haven't tried it yet. I'm gonna try it and give you like a first impressions in a minute, so you'll get to see that. So because I really need to wash my hair badly. Anyway, I got the tea tree. Okay, so I told her there was one specific one that I wanted, which was the scalp soother, because I like to shower with like burning hot water. I feel like most girls can relate. I don't know why, but I shower with pretty hot water, and so my scalp gets burnt. Plus I think it's due to that. I don't know if it's a mixture of like over oily skin or over dry skin. I'm not sure how that really works, but so I get dandruff, right? So I saw a scalp soother one and I was like, that sounds like it would be amazing. But they were out, so she suggested I get the tea tree one. So it says it's for dry, problem scalp, or damaged hair. It has sodium, lauryl sulfate, coconut oil, water, tea tree essential oil, cocoa butter, and some other stuff. So I'm excited to try this, see if it works, if I see a difference. Obviously I don't think I'm gonna see anything with one use, my initial thought, but who knows, we'll see. I'll let you know in a minute. And then I got the conditioner bar, which is, there's actually not much information on it. I think they mainly are all it just says to leave in for a few minutes before rinsing for a maximum nourishment, and to keep it dry between uses. So keep it in a dry area in your shower. I actually have no idea yet where I'm going to keep this because I don't really have anywhere to put it on my shower, so I'll let you know how that goes. But this is pretty much the matching one if I remember correctly, and I might have taken a picture or some videos that I can put. It should be the tea tree one as well. It's pretty much the matching one, I remember that. So yeah, I'm excited to try it. Gonna let you guys know my thoughts on that, and I'll be back once my hair is clean and washed. Alright, so it's much later, all showered, all clean. So I guess I can give you like my final thoughts, although it is soon, I guess, to judge a product because it's been one time of me using it. I'm sure to see results and everything like that, you need to use it for a certain amount of time. But just like the first impressions, first time use type of thoughts, I think you can at least tell, like, my hair doesn't feel like significantly softer or anything. I'm generally a very positive person, so I'm not trying to make this like, oh, the candle was bad, the shampoo was bad, the conditioner was bad. I actually really like the shampoo. The shampoo lathered very, very, very well and quickly, Like it was literally like this. I actually felt really comfortable like rubbing it on my actual scalp, like the associate has suggested. That was super easy. I've never actually had a shampoo lather as like rich in the first try and like as much as this one did. I wish I could have shown you, but obviously I can't. I couldn't have. But it was really good. The shampoo was really good. My scalp doesn't feel like any type of other way. I'm just gonna be able to tell by how, if like I have less dandruff, if you will, which I know also goes hand in hand with the temperature of the water that I use and all that, but that's in and of itself. So the conditioner, on the other hand, that one was not my friend. I was really debating going in with my Function of Beauty conditioner that I use to see if that would like, if I should just use it on top of it, but I was like, no, let me give it its fair chance. And granted, it was just uncomfortable. Like it was like a soap that just wouldn't work. I don't know how else to describe it. I even put my hair like this and like try to like rub it. Like I had the bar right here and I was literally going like this and trying, like having to go back and forth like this was just a little bit inconvenient, I guess you can say. Like in my head, I tried, like I had a point where I was like, I grabbed my hair like this and I was kind of like almost rubbing it back and forth, and I'm like, that can't be good. I really don't think my hair should be going up like that, or something should be going up my hair like that. So whereas with the shampoo you can be more, a little bit more vigorous, a little bit more like shush it up, right? With the conditioner it's more from like here down, and it's more like a downward motion, and it needs to be like soft. And like for me, like I use a comb after, you know, like when I put it on to like really smooth out the hair and take out any knots. So I don't want to not use the product because I don't want anything to go to waste. It was $9 per bar. It was like a promotion. It was like if you get 4, it's 4 for $30, or otherwise they're $8.99 each. I only went with the one of each because I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it. It was just too like, I was not about to let Roger spend $30 or something I didn't even know if I was gonna like. So the $18 seemed like it was all right. So I definitely don't want to let that go to waste. I do see myself using the shampoo up. I don't know about the conditioner. I don't know. That's all I could say. I don't know. If by any chance you're watching this and you have success or have had success with that conditioner bar, maybe I was doing something wrong, because I tried like in my hands, I tried like I said this way, it just wasn't really, I mean eventually I got it to feel like kind of smooth enough to where I feel like okay, like clean my hair and soften it, but it took a while. Like it shouldn't, I just feel like that's something that shouldn't take so long and feel like such a chore. So that's that for the shampoo and conditioner. There's really no smell after. I'll see, I guess, tomorrow after I wake up because I'm going to bed soon. But like usually I'll be able to smell my hair, and then even the next day, like it just smells really good. So with this, it doesn't really smell like anything but like water, like water, I guess. Like I don't know if you know what I mean, like whenever you get out of pool and you can smell that chlorine. Obviously it doesn't smell like chlorine, but it just smells like shower water. Hopefully that makes sense. I don't know. Anyway, like I said, let me know if you have a better way to use it, if you've had success even with the candles, the shampoo, the conditioner, all of that. I would really love to know. I don't want to let this conditioner go to waste, so I'm gonna find a way to use it, maybe in conjunction with my other conditioner. I don't know. I'm open to suggestions, thoughts, anything you can think of. So Anyway, if you like this video, just make sure you give it a thumbs up, please. It lets me know that you like it, you like this kind of reviews. Anything else you want to see from me, also let me know in the comment box below. And I will catch you in my next video. Bye. Can you smell it? So extra. Can you smell my hair? What's it smell like?